Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best graduate cake topper is probably one of the most essential details for celebrating a momentous achievement, transforming a simple dessert into a personalized centerpiece that beautifully encapsulates years of hard work, dedication, and the exciting journey ahead, making it a truly memorable focal point for any graduation party. Number 5. ASTARON Mini Balloon Cake Toppers. Introducing the ASTARON Mini Balloon Cake Toppers. This package includes 20 stunning gold ball decorations, perfect for adding a touch of elegance to any dessert. You'll receive 5 pieces each of 4 different diameters, 0.79, 0.98, 1.18, and 1.57 inches. These varying sizes allow for creative and dynamic cake arrangements. Crafted from foam and wire, these toppers are safe for decorating food at room temperature. They are designed to beautifully adorn your cakes, cupcakes, and other treats. No assembly is required, they come fully finished and ready to use. Simply insert them directly into your cake, saving you time and effort for your special occasion. Just like mini balloons, these colorful and cute decorations are ideal for birthdays, weddings, baby showers, and more. You can also use them to enhance ice cream, fruits, or cookies. Please remember, these toppers are disposable and strictly for decoration purposes only. They are not edible and should never be placed in an oven or microwave. What we like. This set offers a generous quantity of 20 gold ball decorations in various sizes. They resemble mini balloons and require no assembly, making them incredibly easy to use. If you are looking for versatile, ready-to-use decorations to add a festive touch to multiple desserts, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. Graduation Cake Kit Decoration Toppers Black Cap Gold Tassel. Elevate your graduation celebration with this exquisite decoration kit. It's designed to add a touch of glam and elegance to any party, making your special occasion truly unforgettable. This kit includes a sleek black graduation cap and a detailed diploma. Crafted with precision and care, these pieces are perfect for crowning your celebration cake with pride. The graduation hat measures 3.95 by 3.95 by 2.2 inches, and the diploma is 5.75 by 1.75 by 1.2 inches. These ideal sizes ensure they stand out beautifully on your cake or food display. Whether you're hosting a grand party or an intimate gathering, these toppers are sure to impress your guests. They transform any food display into an elegant centerpiece. More than just an ornament, this topper is a powerful symbol. It represents hard work, dedication, and the bright future that awaits every graduate. Commemorate the monumental achievement of your graduate with this exclusive decoration. It's the perfect way to make your graduation party as memorable as the milestone it celebrates. What we like. This kit features a classic graduation cap and diploma, specifically designed for the class of 2024. Its elegant design adds glam to your party and makes a sophisticated statement. If you want a traditional, year-specific topper that truly symbolizes the achievement and impresses your guests, this one is perfect. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no specific points could be extracted as requested. Number 3. PALASASA Congrats Grad Cake Topper 2026 Gold. Mark your special graduation day with an elegant touch. This topper is specially designed to enhance your party's atmosphere. Add a sophisticated feeling and create unforgettable moments for everyone. It will surely surprise your guests and leave a lasting impression. Perfect for your special celebration, it also doubles as a fun photo booth prop. Capture those joyous memories with style. Whether it's kindergarten, college, or a PhD, this decoration is suitable for all graduation levels. Celebrate every milestone with pride. This beautiful piece comes pre-assembled, making your party planning even easier. Just place it and enjoy your celebration. What we like. This topper features a bold Congrats Grad design in a striking gold finish. It's not just for cakes, it also serves as a fantastic photo booth prop to capture memorable moments. If you like a straightforward, celebratory message and want a versatile decoration that doubles as a photo prop, this is a great option. What people say. Number 2. Gold Glitter Congrats Cake Topper. Mark a momentous occasion with this stunning cake topper. It adds the perfect touch of sparkle and celebration to any graduation cake. Designed specifically for graduates, this piece beautifully announces their achievement. It's an ideal way to honor their hard work and dedication. Whether it's for high school, college, or a senior graduation, this topper fits perfectly. It's tailored to commemorate the class of 2026. Crafted with dazzling gold glitter, it catches the light beautifully. This ensures your celebratory cake stands out as the centerpiece. Beyond just a topper, it's an essential decoration for any graduation party. It helps create a festive and memorable atmosphere for everyone. What we like? This topper shines with a dazzling gold glitter finish, proclaiming, "Congrats Grad" for 2026. It's specifically designed for high school, college, or senior graduation parties. If you are celebrating a 2026 graduate and want a sparkly, eye-catching decoration that clearly marks the year and achievement level, this is ideal. What people say. Number 1. Tassel worth the hassle grad cake topper. Mark your special day with this beautifully designed cake topper. It's the perfect accent for any high school, college, or master's graduation celebration. Crafted from premium, thick glittery cardstock, this topper is built to last. Its sturdy construction ensures it stands proudly without falling onto your delicious cake. No assembly required. This product comes pre-assembled and ready to use right out of the box. It's also carefully protected during shipping to arrive in perfect condition. The part that touches your cake is made of safe, natural wood. You can rest assured it won't affect the taste or quality of your celebratory dessert. Whether it's for a high school, college, or master's graduate, this topper adds a festive touch. It's ideal for both boys and girls celebrating their academic milestones. We stand by the quality of our product. If you're not completely satisfied or if it arrives damaged, please contact us for a prompt and helpful solution. What we like? This topper stands out with its witty phrase, "The tassel was worth the hassle," perfect for any graduate. It's made from premium, thick glittery cardstock and features a safe wooden stick for contact with the cake. If you appreciate a humorous, high-quality topper with a unique message and prioritize food safety, this one is an excellent choice. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.